in the morning. I've just now realized I don't know how to make bread. How do? Okay, so I'm gonna start with some tea water. Also just known in layman's terms as warm water. But that's the tea kettle, so fuck, it's not a kettle. I mean a pot. So what I got in there now is like some yeast. I've forgotten what I put in there. This warm water, yeast, and oil, cause I can't have butter. I'm lactose intolerant. And yeast food, in layman's term, is goddamn sugar. Yeah. That's not a lot of sugar. Whap. Skadoosh. And see, I'm embarrassing myself. But yeah. Thanks, YouTube. Wait, fuck, that's Tumblr. Focus. Focus. Okay. Now I got 3 cups of sugar. Fudge. No. This is flour. I got 3 cups of flour. I was probably supposed to sift it before measuring it. But it's now 2:10. And I ain't doing that shit. I wouldn't do it if it was a normal hour, but anyway, but especially not in 2. Focus. You damn camera. What does the almighty Tumblr say to do next? Well, that's not what it did at all. I just realized why it looks like pancake batter. I doubled this recipe, but only the water, and then forgot to double the rest. Hold on for another 10 minutes. Okay, now it's actually a dough, and we're gonna allow this to rise, because yeast is a very small organism and it needed the sugar as a food source. It's gonna digest it and basically fart, and that's how you get the air in the bread. There's probably a more scientific way of explaining that. Also, I stepped on my camera just now when I was going to pick it up. Probably shouldn't set it on the floor where the cat could get it. The cat's somewhere in there. Now you have to cover your shame for 1.5 hours so it's less shameful. Yeah, that was a joke. Just cover your bread. Cover it. Cover your damn shameful bread. It's shameful. I gotta make a better joke. Take dough. Take dough. Take dose of bread joke. You gotta cover up. You gotta cover up. It's dark out there. Let me go find my cat. Oh man. I forgot to wash my hands before that. And I pet my cat. These breadsticks are only for me and my cat now. I can never share them with anyone. I mean, I wasn't gonna do that before, but now it's like a health and safety issue. It's dark now, because I turned off the lights so that I can cover up my bread in both ways. Hide my shameful bread from both the light and the elements. You can't see shit though, I didn't plan for this.